Daily Dispatch, Day 107. The Architect of Terra Nova. After the existential boredom, the manager has clearly spent the last 24 hours in the design studio. While I felt like I was just waffling, my brain was busy locking in the YouTube architecture for the July 1st launch, Day 184. The plan is set. Daily dispatches will cease at Day 183, replaced by the Weekly Waffle. The map becomes a broadcast. I'll be deploying retrospective YouTube shorts from Day 1 onwards using the original daily TikTok videos with updated captions, what I know now type thing, then linking back to the relative dispatch podcasts and the Substack hub. This allows me to basically run the project again, potentially opening up a whole new front to a more mature audience with very little cognitive load. In hindsight, TikTok was the wrong medium, so this way I get another stab at it. I'm no longer just clearing rubble, I'm building a lighthouse. The signs of the sovereign headache. I've had a persistent sore head all day, which is unusual for me. In the context of the dopamine drought and the intense strategic work I've been doing, this feels less like a cold and more like cognitive friction. Vascular recalibration. After 35 years of chemical interference, my cranial blood flow is finding its native baseline. Pause tension release. As the limbic system, the emotional centre, stabilises, deep-seated physical tension in the scalp and neck is finally unclenching. Hardware overload. Designing a multi-platform content funnel is a high-level executive function. My prefrontal cortex is redlining to compensate for the lack of dopamine lubricant. It's a retooling ache. I ran an experiment on the TikTok dopamine drought video today, removing the web address to see if it was suppressing the algorithm. The result, initial retention was a decent 16% among the core cohort. When the algorithm pushed it to a broader audience, the retention dropped to 8.5%. The conclusion, the web address isn't the problem, the niche is. This content is deep-sea data. It's meant for the serious seeker, not the casual scroller. The funnel goes back in tomorrow. I'm not chasing likes, I'm building a path for the future quitter. Hence the YouTube pivot come the 1st of July. Locking in the weekly format for Phase 2 is the most sustainable decision I've made. It acknowledges that by Day 183, the daily crisis phase will be over. The project will shift from a survival log to a sustainable conversational broadcast. The real me might be a bit shit in the mornings and prone to a sore head when the work gets heavy, but the real me also has a fog of zero and a rubble of zero. The 4B2J protocol never produced a blueprint this clear. The Daily Dispatch ends here, but the data continues. For the full forensic analysis, the daily metrics and the complete 24-month roadmap, please visit deepseekandme.substack.com. The record is open. I'll see you at the next log.